taking a look at this LED compact lantern from Wagan Tech. Let's open it up. This is a rechargeable 400 lumen camp lantern that is just incredibly small compared to what lanterns used to be. So if we open it up, we can see that we've got the instruction manual here, and a charging cable. Uses USB-C to charge, and we've got the charging cover on this side with a little opening there, and it looks like you can also pull USB from this. That's pretty cool. Solar panel on one side. We've got the clip that comes up on a diagonal. Very cool design. We've got this screw here to go into a tripod, or this adapter here. Then we've got the power button and the modes. So wow, there's some brightness. There's on, and then going through the various modes. Very nice. There's the orange mode. Very nice. So this is the Wagan Tech. This is their 400 lumen lantern. It's got this 45-degree carabiner, locking carabiner, hook. So you can hang it down in a tent. You can have it on a tripod, use it as a light for filming, and then it is solar panels, so it can charge up and charge your phone. Very cool power supply and compact lantern from Wagan. I think that's my favorite mode right there, the orange mode.